the freedom curve. Again, a model that I use within Freedom Founders. Real briefly, we have 4 verticals, and then we have a timeline. So the timeline goes this way on the horizontal. Results go vertically on the y-axis this way. In the first vertical, this is what I call active or your business income. This is trading time for dollars. Nothing wrong with it. We all do it. And down here at the bottom of the freedom curve, this is where most hardworking business owners, professionals spend like 90% of their whole darn life in that place, because that's what we're told to do. And to make more money or have more security, they tell us what? Well, be more efficient, work harder, right? Gain more skill sets. Nothing wrong with that. But the problem with that model is it's a linear improvement. What most people miss is the opportunity to go into the next vertical. This is the wealth, net worth, and really the key thing here is the passive cash flow vertical. What happens is we make money, right, over here in this box. So we're generating by trading time for dollars money. We have to live on some of it. We have to pay overhead. We have to pay taxes. But whatever's left over, maybe that's just $1 or $1 symbol. But what we do here in this bucket is the difference between having a freedom curve that goes like this exponentially versus a traditional model which looks something like this. Let's put it in a different color so we can make a differentiator here. Most people go like this. It goes up and then the market goes down and they put some more money in, it goes up a little bit, then it goes down. And about the time they want to retire, it goes down. And they end up right here. Most of the time, this trajectory ends up being just the amount of contributions that someone made because the market's volatile. You want a model that takes you up and exponentially extrapolates your wealth building. So I tell people there's what we call an inflection point. A little bit messy here, but right here at this juncture is what I call an inflection point. And you either take the slow model that goes like this, or you take the anti-traditional model that will take you here, because it all happens right here. You can generate all the money you want to here, but what you do with the money here in the wealth vertical is what's going to eventually give you, which is the next vertical being, yeah, freedom. Freedom, which doesn't mean I have to sell my practice and be done and go to the beach or play golf 5 days a week. No, what it means is now I've got room to express who I really am. Maybe I want to mentor young people. Maybe I want to bring in associates or partners, or maybe I want to take trips, mission trips, which I can't do right now because I'm so stressed out. So that last vertical is legacy. This is purpose. This is meaning. It's impact. When you get to the end, and hopefully you get a chance to live your life fully, which is what we all hope for, right? You get to the end and you look back over your life. What's gonna be the most impactful to you in terms of your significance in your life? Was it that you created one more practice, that you added one more zero to your gross revenue for bragging rights? Was it that you had one more extra house or vehicle or something? Not judging those things, but what it's really going to be, it's going to be the memories you made and the impact you had on the people you cared about, starting with your family, starting with maybe your community, wherever you like to serve, mission trips, whatever it is for you. That's what's going to matter in your life, and all this other stuff is not going to mean anything. So my point is, don't get caught up in comparing yourself to industry or society standards, because that's going to leave you hollow, and I don't want to see that happen to you. I've had a chance to talk to too many people that have been at that end of life, and they never told me that they wish they would have worked harder. More wisely, smarter with the constructs we use in Freedom Founders, yes, but not just harder, just grinding it out. That's just not the way to go in life.